All right, so what you're going to be doing, this is a chart that has both characters on it. You're going to be completing the entire table, okay? So as you can see, on the left, it has the different questions you're going to be responding to, and I'll go over those in just a minute. In the center column, you're going to be answering those questions for Richie. On the far right column, you're going to be responding to the questions for Trisha, okay? So the first question, character traits. It says give 2 character traits for each main character. One is going to be a positive, which is a good character trait. And the other one is going to be a negative, which is a bad character trait, okay? You're going to do that for Richie, and then you're going to do that for Trisha. These should be one-word responses. A character trait is just one word. Remember, and I'm going to show you right here. And I'm going to put this on Google Classroom and under today's materials so that you have this to refer back to, okay? Here's some great examples of some one-word character traits. It even gives you some positives and some negatives.
And remember, we don't want to see nice or mean or sad. Use one of those bigger 4th grade words underneath it.
Yes, thank you, Miss Todd. You're exactly right. So, and I do not, if you put, I don't want to see the same word for each. You need to be creative and think of 4 different words, okay? Don't put the same 2 for Richie that you do for Trisha. All right, next, evidence. Give evidence from the book to support why you chose these traits. So just tell me something that happened in the book as to why you put the positive character trait for Richie or the negative character trait for Richie. And then same with Trisha, okay? Sorry, I'm kind of adjusting that. So you have to tell something that they did in the book which supports why you said that Richie is nice. What's something he did in the book that shows that he is nice? Has to be from the book, not from your head. This is evidence from the text. Okay? All right. Next, thoughts. What are your thoughts and feelings about each character? So this gets to come from here, from you. How do you feel about Richie? How do you feel about Trisha? One sentence is all I need. You don't have to write a lot. This is how you feel. Okay. And then lesson. What is the lesson that the characters learned at the end of the story, which we just talked about? If you feel like they learned a similar, the same lesson, you are welcome to put that. What is the lesson that they learned? What did Richie learn? What did Trisha learn? And then the last 2 are similar and different. So similarity, how are you alike with this character? So how are you and Richie alike? And how are you and Trisha alike? Okay? And then different.
Also, we do not want to hear I am like her because I'm a girl, or I am like him because I'm a boy.
Yeah, this we're focusing more on internal, which is the inside, like their personality, not that external, not the way they look, okay? So it's got to be from in here. We learned a lot about them on the inside. And then difference. One difference you have. How are you different from Richie? How are you different from Trisha? That's the table. That's all you have to do for our characters. What questions do you have about this chart? And like I said, I'm going to also put the character traits sheet on Google Classroom for today, day 36, so you have that to look at as well. You can definitely use that to help you with the chart. Miss Todd, if you see any hands up, feel free to call on them because half of my squares are black.
Alden, your hand is up.
I was just gonna say that I cannot something up on the assignments.